Keep watching this video for an honest review. 2 chemical solutions for dry drain from 2 different companies. Hi, I'm Herb Schreiber, Principal Scientist at State Industrial Products, and I've been working as a chemist for the last 40 years. In this video, I'll be comparing 2 chemicals designed to solve dry drain. This is a problem that can arise if you have infrequently used drains, as a shortage of water will cause the P-trap, which is a part of the drain that is usually full of water, to dry up and could allow severe odors to creep up from the sewer. If you want to avoid these issues, you can treat the drain with a chemical product. But which one? At State Chemical, we have researched, developed, and manufactured a solution called Shut Your Trap. One of our competitors, Brodi, sells a similar product called Brodi's Vapour Block. Let's jump into an honest review of both Vapour Block and Shut Your Trap. How do they work? State Chemical's Shut Your Trap and Brodi's Vapour Block are both effective, long-lasting solutions to your infrequently used drain problems. There are 2 main ways that people resolve dry drains. First, you could pour water down the drain to refill the P-trap with water. However, this is a short-term solution. If you pour water down the drain, the water in the P-trap will evaporate quickly, and you have to continue to pour water down the drain on a weekly basis. Alternatively, you could use a chemical product which will sit in the P-trap for a much longer period and allow maintenance staff to spend time on other things. Brodi's Vapour Block. Vapour Block can solve your dry drain issues. It's easy to use. Simply pour water down the drain and then pour in 16 to 32 ounces of the product. When you pour the product, you'll notice its natural citrus scent. Once you pour Vapour Block down the drain, you can forget about the drain for a long time. It will last up to 6 months. Vapour Block works by forming a seal on both sides of the P-trap. This seal prevents sewer gases from escaping from the drain pipe and wafting into your facility. Another benefit of Vapour Block is that the product does not freeze. Therefore, if, for example, you have a summer cabin, you can pour Vapour Block down the drain before you leave for the winter, protecting the drain all winter long. State Chemical's Shut Your Trap. Shut Your Trap is intended for industrial and commercial facilities like apartment buildings or office buildings with infrequently used drains. For example, storage closet or unused apartment unit. Usage is similar. Pour 4 to 6 ounces of Shut Your Trap, depending upon the size of the drain, to create a layer above the water in the P-trap, blocking odors from creeping up through the drain. When you use Shut Your Trap, you'll notice it has a clean and fresh wintergreen scent. It also contains State Chemical's SC500 odor neutralizing ingredient, which will ensure that sewer gases are kept from your facility. You must contact State Chemical and speak to a knowledgeable sales representative to purchase Shut Your Trap for your facility, which can be a good fit if you aren't certain how to solve your drain problems. The State Chemical representative will be able to recommend the right solution for you. Brodi's Vapour Block versus Shut Your Trap. Overall, both products can be utilized to prevent problems associated with dry drain like sewer odors, and it's up to you to determine which is best for your situation. For comparisons of other products and more cleaning tips, visit the Learning Center at www.stateindustrial.com. While you're there, hit the Contact Us button to get in touch with a representative who will survey your facility free of charge and find the right solutions for you.